Throughout history, auction has been used as a popular sales method. Today, it is equally relevant, and RamBase software made the whole process easy to handle for auction houses. So follow along while we explain how it works. Cherish auctions sell both online and on podium. One day, they're visited by Tom. Tom decided to sell a vase from the 17th century that he inherited from his grandmother. Tom delivers the vase to the auctioneer, Sarah, at Cherish Auctions, with the goal of getting the highest price the market is willing to offer. Sarah receives the vase and registers Tom as a customer in RamBase. She enters information about the vase into the system, describes the object, sets an estimate price, and uploads pictures. She prints a label and assigns a location in the showroom for the preview. Next, she receives a complete catalog file with all the lots generated from RamBase and sends it to print. Then, she publishes Tom's vase and all the other registered items for online bidding on the Cherish Auctions website. Clients place bids on the lots, and Sarah follows the bidding in RamBase. On the auction day, all of the lots are presented on the podium. The highest bids are registered in RamBase, the winners are issued with invoices, and sellers are notified about the sale. Tom's vase has been won by a client in Dubai. Sarah issues shipping documents from RamBase and prepares the vase for delivery. After the logistics are completed, Sarah inspects the auction balance. At this auction, Tom has not only sold his vase, but purchased items as well. RamBase shows his net balance from the event, and Sarah gets a full overview of all financial transactions and the earnings from the auction. To summarize, RamBase, the right information to the right person at the right time.